This is Vicki Walker on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're working on a backpack for a little girl. We have assembled the front and back pieces. We've got the top edges turned under for casing. We've applied the rick-rack to the bottom for trim. And we have put together loops on the D-rings that we'll be inserting into the seams near the bottom. That's where the cord will go through when we do the cord later, similar to this. One of the options that we could have used was grommets rather than using the D-rings. Grommets take a special tool, which I don't happen to have, so we've decided to use the D-rings instead, and they work just fine. Another thing that we could have done instead was to make the loops, just let the loops stick out the side. The fabric or the cord could just go through a loop in the fabric. But we've chosen for the purpose of this demonstration today to use these. So what we'll do is to pin them in just over 5/8 inch from the side because we'll be using a 5/8 inch seam. So we will pin those and they'll be ready when we sew the seam all the way around the outside edge in just a moment. So that's how we prepare the D-rings to go into the seam.